Today the topic is quartiles for the discrete series. So last class we discussed quartiles for individual series. So first important one, the quartile is the position values. The x must be should be arranged in ascending order. We don't worry about the frequency. X must be one arranged in ascending order. And then for prepare the cumulative frequency table. And Q1 formula is the value of n plus 1 by fourth item in cumulative frequency, and Q2 equal to the value of n plus 1 by 2 item. So cap in the discrete series representing capital N is total frequency, and Q3 equal to the value of 3 into n plus 1 by item. So Q1 n plus 1 by fourth item, Q2 n plus 1 by 2 item, Q3 equal to 3 into n plus 1 by item. These values representing the x. We see the problem. Calculate quartiles for the following data. X and F's are given. So this is a discrete series. X 30 and frequency 35. 5 frequency 27, 35, 33, 38, 8, 32. So just yeah, check X it should be in arranged order. The values must be in arranged order. So values are not in arranged order. The quartiles compulsory we need in arrange ascending order. First you have to arrange it in ascending order. So first only arrange in x value must be arranged in ascending. So first minimum of x equal to 5. So x and the corresponding frequency is 20. And the next minimum value is 7. The corresponding frequency is 35. Next x value is 8 and the corresponding frequency is 32. And next minimum value is 30 and the corresponding frequency 35. And next value is 33 and 38. So x must be arranged in ascending order. First we have to arrange in order, then we solve them. But then we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. So tabular column form point x frequency, we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. The total frequency is 160. So how you know very well how to calculate the cumulative frequency. Just simple add the update the frequencies. The first is 20, next 20 plus 35, 55. Next 55 plus 32, 87. And next 87 plus 35, 122. 122 plus 38, 160. It is the less than cumulative frequency. So add the frequencies. That's all. And next calculate the Q1. We know the value Q1 equal to value of n plus 1 by observation. So we know very well n value is 160. So 160 plus 1 by fourth item. So 161 by fourth item. So 161 point value is 40.25 item. 40.25 item. So 40.50 item பார்க்கணும் then corresponding cumulative frequency பார்க்கணும். So அப்போ பார்க்கணும் below பார்க்கக்கூடாது. So 40.25 is near to 55. This is a Q1 class. So mark it at the Q1 class. So on the value on the column the Q1 and corresponding X value called the Q1. Its corresponding Q1 X value is 7. Therefore, the Q1 is 7. So cumulative frequencyல 42.25 எதுக்கு நியர்பை வந்திருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். Below போகக்கூடாது. Only is equal or above. Less than, greater than or equal to only. So 40.25 is 55 near to. So it's a corresponding class Q1 class. The corresponding X value is called the Q1. Q1 equal to 7. And Q2. Q2 will equal to value of n plus 1 by item. N equal to 160 plus 1 by item. 161 by 2 is 80.5. Same process. CFல 80.5 எதுக்கு நியர்பை வருதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். It's nearby to 87. So this is a Q2 class. Please mark it. And the corresponding X value is 8. So Q2 equal to 8. We need only X and its corresponding X value. So Q2 equal to 8 or the corresponding X value 8. So for Q2 equal to 8. 81 is 80 point the Q class, but value is Q2 equal to 8. And the value of 3 into n plus 1 by fourth item. So 3 into 160 plus 1 by fourth item. So 161 by fourth item is 120.75 item. So CFல nearby எதில் இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும் 122. This is a Q3 class. And then and the corresponding X value is 30. So Q3 equal to 30. So at the corresponding X value that we need. So Q1 equal to 7, Q2 equal to 8, Q3 equal to 30. The Q1 corresponding X value, Q2 class corresponding X value is 7, Q2 class or corresponding X value is 8, therefore Q2 equal to 8, and Q3 class corresponding X value is 30. So therefore Q3 equal to 30. Thank you.